be making a vegetarian fried rice today, and you notice that my bok choys are actually too overripe. So we're gonna have to cut some of these bok choy, and we're gonna make a fried rice with the bok choy. So what we do is right to the stem, get right to the bottom there, and give it a nice cut, and grab this. Okay, so we just cut this bok choy, and we're gonna use it in our vegetable fried rice. You will also need 1 carrot, 1 can of corn, 1 onion, and 3 bowls of cooked rice. Now it's best to use leftover refrigerated rice. I like to use all the parts of my vegetables that I harvest from my garden, so I'm actually going to use the stem of the bok choy as well. I'm just going to remove the outer skin of the stem and chop that up. important thing about making a vegetarian fried rice is to not overcook the vegetables. If you overcook the vegetables, it will become liquidy and your rice will become soggy. Adding sesame oil and sprinkling toasted sesame seeds on top adds extra flavor to your fried rice. I hope you get a chance to make this delicious and healthy fried rice. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.